so today we are at Blizzard Beach and I will be montage vlogging today because kind of follow me around vlogging can be a little bit interesting. So I'm going to montage vlog today, very excited, but yeah, cue music. Okay, so with awful hair, I am now back in the hotel. I really hope you enjoyed the montage for today. Anyway, so I am editing currently the vlog from the travel day, because it was supposed to go up like 5 hours ago UK time, but I still haven't had time, 4:22, and I am doing the editing.